So for question number 9C, we are asked to find the derivative of this. So we are going to differentiate. This is y equal to cube root. This is cube root. Let me write it well. Cube root of x raised to power 4. So let's deal with the cube root first. We have y to be equal to x raised to power 4 times 1 over 3. Cube root means power of 1 over 3. That means my y is equal to x raised to power 4 over 3. 4 times 1 give us 4, then over 3. Then we differentiate the y with respect to the x. The power will come down first. I will have 4 over 3. Then the power will remove 1. That is 4 over 3 minus 1. So I will have 4 over 3 x. Then 4 over 3 minus 1 will give me 1 over 3. So we can still represent this as a square root. So my dy over the x will be equal to 4 over 3 cube root of x. You know that 1 over 3 is a cube root, so it takes care of x alone. So you can leave it like this, or you can still write it as 4 cube root of x over 3. This denominator, so this whole can multiply this to come together. So we leave it as this.